Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 27th match here in round one. The scores are Cornwall College on 15 points, Vere Technical on 13 points. There's a slight adjustment to the scores, so I will explain briefly. Cornwall's answer to the question, what does the root word seed, C-E-D-E, is used in the word concede, mean? They said give up, and that has been accepted. However, their answer, the Right Honourable Sir Alexander Bustamante, ended after the bell and has not been accepted. So they picked up a point and lost it right back again. And then Vere Technical picked up a point for the answer to their question, what does the suffix en mean, as used in the word fasten? They said state, as in the state of becoming, and that has been accepted by the judges. And for those football fans out there, the Harbourview Football Club is coached by Ludlow Bernard, no longer coached by Howard Cephas. With that, we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for each correct answer, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast, clear answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. And once we have 4 minutes on the clock, we will begin with Bible knowledge. What is another name for the disciple called Thaddeus? Vere Technical.
Jude.
Jude is correct. Biology. What is the name given to species that can be used to tell something about the environment?
Next one.
Bioindicators or indicators. English language. Correct the grammatical error, if any, in this sentence. Eating too many sweets is bad for your Cornwall College.
Next one.
No error.
Next one.
No error is correct. International affairs of visual one. Teams, look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Guðni Johansen, President of Iceland. Chemistry. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Vere Technical.
Sodium bicarbonate.
That's right. Music and audio one. Vere Technical.
Wayne Wonder. Wayne Wonder.
Incorrect. Sucker, Jonas Brothers. General knowledge. Which religious movement grew out of a Bible study group formed by Charles Taze Russell in Pittsburgh in the 1870s and took its current name in 1931? Jehovah's Witnesses. Spanish. Translate this sentence to English. Si fuera más joven, compraría más helado. If I were younger, I would buy more ice cream. Geography. San Jerome is the name of the highest mountain in which Caribbean island? Montserrat. Theatre and cinema of visual ones. Team, look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Cornwall College.
John Travolta.
That's right. Information technology. What name used to describe the virtual reality created by computers was coined by the science fiction writer William Gibson in his 1984 novel Neuromancer? Cyberspace. History. What was the name of the program by which the United States gave large amounts of economic aid to Europe after World War II? Marshall Plan. Mathematics. A letter is chosen at random from the word Caribbean. What is the probability that the letter is a vowel? Vere Technical.
Further. 9.
Good. Physics. Good. What is the name for a change in frequency or wavelength of a wave in relation to an observer who is moving relative? Cornwall College.
Bad boys.
Doctor Effect.
That's right. Sport or visual one. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person, please. Cornwall College. That's correct. Indian cricketer. Jamaican heritage. Which Jamaican wrote the collection of stories entitled Passing Through? Vere Technical. It is correct. French. When I ask this question, what do I wish to know? Où habites-tu? Vere Technical.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Is correct. Literature. The plot of which early Shakespeare comedy is based on the enmity between the town of Syracuse and Ephesus? A comedy of errors art which Jamaican artist painted mother and child. Vere Technical.
No, mother and child. But number right.
Incorrect. Barrington Watson, Bible knowledge. Karen Happock is one of the Vere technical.
Job.
Daughters of Job, correct. Biology, what is the more common name for Genu valgum? Vere technical.
Gene application.
Incorrect. Knock knee. English language spell luscious. Vere technical.
L-U-S-C-I-O-U-S.
Good. Local and international affairs. Which country hosted the Conference of Parties? Vere technical.
USA.
United States of America.
Incorrect. India. And that bell signals the end of the final challenge, and indeed the end of the match. Scores look to be Cornwall College on 23, Vere Technical on 19. We will double check those scores, however, and return with the final results right after these messages.